Telegram for my regular team communication, and I want to send a good morning message every morning on my Telegram channel. And I'm just going to wish my sales team a very good morning with a motivational quote. And do you think that I'm just going to do this manually? No. I'm just going to simply create an automation to do this. And do you think that I'm just going to create the automation manually? No. I'm just going to use AI to create the automation also. I'm just going to chat with AI and automatically this automation will be created. So let's see how. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video you will see how to create a Telegram bot using Agentic AI. So over here you have to open the dashboard of Pabbly Connect in order to do so. If you are an existing user like me, but if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create this Telegram bot for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that we have a special discount coupon code which is just for you. You can use this amazing discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And this discount coupon code is just for you. You can directly choose your plan directly from here. If you are a sole entrepreneur, you can go for this plan. If you are building and growing teams, you can go for this plan. And if you are built for agencies, you can go for this plan. These are one-time plans. You just have to pay once and use it forever. So you can choose the plan according to your own needs and requirements. Okay, so now let's see how to create this Telegram bot. For that, we just have to open the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, then click on this create workflow button and then go on this create using AI. Now it is going to open the dashboard of Pabbly Agentic AI. Now what you have to do is you have to click on this create workflow and name your workflow. So I'm just going to name this workflow as post daily on Telegram and then move on further. Over here you can also select the folder and click on this create button. Once we click on this create button, a window something like this will appear in front of us. Now what we have to do, we just have to type right over here what I want. So I want to daily post a good morning message. So I'm just going to type I want to daily post a good morning message on my Telegram channel for my sales team. And now I'm just going to give the details of my business. So I run a agency. Okay, and apart from that I'm just going to mention the time, which is 9 AM, and then let's move on further and send this message. So once I send this message, it is going to reply me over here, and just by simply chatting with this Agentic AI, which is going to build this automation. So it is saying great idea. So give me the message style and the Telegram setup. Should the message be an AI generated motivational sales quote each day or a fixed template? So I want a motivational sales quote each day. So I'm just going to send the same, and it is saying Telegram setup. Do you have a Telegram bot or channel set it up, or do you help need creating them? So I need help creating them. Okay, so it is saying workflow plan is generate the message and post on Telegram daily 9 AM your time zone. So my time zone is IST, which is Indian Standard Time. Next it is asking, do you have a Telegram bot or channel ready? No bot, give me steps. So I have a channel but no bot, so I have channel ready. Okay, so I'm just going to simply type. If you don't have your channel ready, you can also ask this bot how to create the channel. Okay, and if you don't have a channel ready, you can definitely ask that too. So yes, you can see it has provided me with the steps. We have to create a Telegram bot, add the bot to our channel, and then get the channel ID. So what we have to do is open your Telegram and search for bot father. Just follow the step one by one. Okay, so open your Telegram and go on this search and search for bot father and open it. Now after I open this, start a chat and send /new bot. So start a chat and then send /new bot. Oh, we're going to see create a new bot. Okay, now it is saying all right, a new bot. How are we going to call it? So I'm just going to call this bot as post daily. So I'm just going to type post daily. So this is the name of my bot. It is saying good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. So the username should end with _bot. So I'm just going to type post daily _tudes_bot over here. So this is the username of my bot, and you're going to see yes, this bot is created, and over here is our API token. So let's just go back. It is saying enter the username. Bot father will give you a bot token that looks like this. Copy it. Okay, so let's just copy it right over here, and then we're just going to go back. Now this is the next step to add the bot to your channel, but first it is saying bot token, so I'm just going to simply paste the bot token right over here, then follow the next step. Add the bot to your Telegram channel. Go to the channel settings, administrators, and then add the bot as the administrator. So as you can see, this is the name of my bot, so I'm just going to copy it, open my Telegram channel, then I'm just going to go on the channel settings. Okay, so let's just go on this channel settings, then go on this administrators and add the administrator. In order to add the administrator, you first have to do this and then click on this tick button, and you're going to see yes, this bot is added as the administrator over here. After you add this bot as the administrator, it is saying add it and make sure to post message permission is enabled. Yes, I did this. Now the third step is to get the channel ID. It is saying forward any message from your channel to @user info bot on Telegram. Okay, so we're just going to do the same, but I don't know how to do this, so I'm just going to ask give in detail the third step. First I'm just going to simply give the token over here, and then I'll say give in detail the third step, and then move on further, because I don't know how to forward the message over here. So let's just wait till it is replying. And like me, if you have any doubts while creating this or getting the token, you can definitely ask it, and it is going to reply and give these solutions to you. Don't have to get confused. Okay, so over here the method is open your Telegram, go to your channel, pick any message in the channel, long press it and tap forward, and then forward it to this username. Okay, so let's just do this. So I'm just going to forward this message to this username. Okay, so I'm just going to type the username. It is saying nothing found, so I'm just going to remove this @ and it is saying nothing found. Okay, so if something like this happens to you, what you have to do, just screenshot it and send it to this. Okay, so let's just send this over here, and once I do this, it is also giving me the method too. So let's just try this too. I'm just going to search for this username also, and it is still saying nothing found. Okay, so let's just wait over here till it is replying me. Okay, so it is saying correct method to get the channel ID. Do not use share, use forward. Okay, it has also given me the alternative method in the case of desktop. Open your Telegram desktop/web, and over here is the same. Open your channel, look at the URL in the browser. It will look like this. After hashtag is your channel ID. Okay, so let me just open the same, and I'm going to see yes, after hashtag is my channel ID. So I'm just going to copy this channel ID and paste it right over here. You have to make sure that the channel ID is always negative. It has mentioned it right over here that the channel ID is always negative, starts with -100. So I'm just going to send this channel ID over here. Let's see if it is going to work or not. So yes, you can see it is generating the code for the same, and you know what I'm just going to do while it is creating this workflow? I can just sit back and relax and see all of this happening. And you're going to see it is saying workflow is live and scheduled. So let me just open my Telegram, and you're going to see I've received a message over here which says test message from Pabbly Agentic AI. Your workflow is being set up over here. And as you can see, yes, it is saying your workflow is live and scheduled. So let's test this workflow now. So how can I test this workflow? For that, I'm just going to click on this test my workflow button and send this. And let's just see if it is running in real time or not. And you can see, yes, it is saying everything is working perfectly fine. So let me just open my Telegram, and yes, we have received this message over here, but in this message we have received a lot of useless symbols, and I do not want this. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply send the screenshot of this message and type do not include such unnecessary or useless symbols. So I'm just going to type the same right over here, and let's see how it is going to reply me. So you can simply ask any query. Like as you can see, I was not satisfied with the message, so I just asked that repeat and change the message. So like this, you can ask any of your queries, your doubts, just by typing it right over here, and you're going to get these solutions for the same. So let me just wait once again till it is generating the message. It is saying fixed. The AI has been instructed to use plain text only. So let's test this workflow once again. So I'm just going to type test my workflow once again, send it, and now let's just wait till it is running in real time, and we're just going to check that if the message is correct now or not. Are the useless symbols removed or not? So let's just wait for a few seconds once again. So yes, you can see status saying test passed, check your Telegram channel. So let me check my Telegram channel, and yes, this is the message right over here. Good morning, champions. Happy Monday and welcome to June 1st. A brand new month just handed you a blank scoreboard and infinite possibilities. So as you can see, this is the message sent. If you think that this is a very long message, you can simply type this Agentic AI, give me a short message, give me in 1 or 2 lines, and it is going to update the workflow accordingly. You just have to type and chat with this Agentic AI to generate your workflows and do all the manual work. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. If you have any doubts, my team is definitely going to help you out. Further, the workflow URL, if you wanted, you can definitely ask that in the comment section below. My team is definitely going to provide you that. Apart from that, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.